This pond is one of the most beautiful places in this whole neighborhood, let me tell you. It is a sanctuary for all kinds of wildlife, and it's just beautiful and peaceful and important to the environment. Creates so much habitat for who lives here. Varieties, hundreds of species.
We've had turkey vultures and ducks.
It's a very unique situation with the river and with the wetland and Lawrence Lake. So there's a triangle of busy activity with all sorts of wildlife. There's deer, there's just everything, and we just have a huge selection of bird wildlife. There's everything you can imagine here. Water and the birds. The wildlife is part of the appeal, and the water and the pond, the wetland itself is what brings birds in. So it's a connected ecosystem, and the cell tower is a nuisance, and it will disrupt the migratory flight patterns. We've just got to start looking out for the wildlife on the planet. That's all. That's the bottom line. We have to stand up and say, no, that's enough.